Okay, so today I'm working on a vacuum cleaner. I started taking off the screws on the back of this vacuum. What's going on is that the cord is shorting out, and I'll show you exactly where. I guess within time it just got pinched. You know, you yank cords and stuff and whatnot, but you can see right there, right where it actually goes in, it's cut. So every time my daughter would yank on it, it would spark. So it's a good thing she told me. So anyhow, I removed already 4 screws. There's 2 on top, 2 on bottom, and then I had to remove some of these couple other screws that went underneath the wheels in order to take this panel off. So the panel should just pop right off. So we're looking at this side here, and you're just gonna have two actual wires. You can tell this has been worked on before because it's got black tape. You won't find black tape on a machine like this, and looks like they just kind of put it back together half-assed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually pull the cord this way, pull it in, and expose some nearer wiring, and then tie into the existing wires that actually go to the vacuum cleaner. So we'll get a head start on that. Then pull this through. I'm going to cut off that wire that's already kind of messed up, so we'll go back a little bit. And I'm actually going to cut this of the wire here too. And then this white wire. It's going to be a tight fit for this one, but we'll make it work. Suppose that white wire there. All these wires clipped up to link together. So this is our new wire. Expose this wire here. Just like that. All this excess stuff off the way, huh? Okay. So that takes care of anything that's exposed on the outside of that vacuum anymore. And we're going to prep these wires here. Got our butt connector, our new butt connector they call them. And we're gonna splice that black one. Actually a hot seems like it says gonna be a tight one. Hopefully we can make it work. If not, we'll have to extend that white wire. Let's see if we can make this work. Yeah, that's a little tight fit, that wire, white wire. Let's see if we can make it work, hopefully. So that looks like that should do it. Okay, so now we'll start putting everything back together. And we'll give it a whirl. Okay, so now the final test is actually we're just going to plug it in and push start, see if it blows up or not. Well, that concludes our cord fix on this vacuum. This was a Kenmore vacuum cleaner. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.